Yes. So good morning, students. Now looking at the picture, like if the boy is thinking, right? So you are going to tell me what we have studied in the previous session. Can anybody tell me? Okay, I will tag you. A rule tagging, no? So I tag Mira. Mira, can you just tell us what we have learned in the previous session on Thursday?
Thursday.
Yes.
Didi.
What we have learned in the previous session.
Thursday, what did we learn?
Yes, Rakshit, sounds was on Tuesday. Next, previous Thursday, we have learned something, no? Okay, Meera, no problem. So, I'll tag, wait, huh? Let me tag Chaitra. Chaitra, can you help your friend Meera to let her know what we have learned in the previous class? What Kajal Didi has taught you in the previous class? Yes, Chaitra? Yes?
Singular.
No. Okay, I'll give you hint. The hint is Jungle Book, Mowgli. Now, do you remember?
Action. What do we in the movies? The actions.
Action. But we were talking about whom? Yes. Rakshit is saying, okay, very good, Rakshit. Okay, Chaitra, tell me, we were talking about whom? Neha, great. Yes. Neha, would you like to help? Would you like to help your friends? Tell them. Yes, Neha, unmute yourself and tell them what we were studying about previous in the previous class. You are right. Tell them, help your friends.
Didi match to top.
Yes. I cannot hear beta. Can you repeat?
Character.
Yes, excellent. Very good. That's character. No, we were, yes, in a story, we were learning about how to identify a character. हम एक character, एक thing, person, animal कैसे पहचानेंगे? Okay. So let's recall. Meera and Chaitra, did you get now? Meera and Chaitra, are you able to note now?
Yes.
Great.
Yes.
So here is one exercise for you. Let me see how much you remember. Okay. So we'll just revise quickly about our previous week. So Didi, can you move on to the next slide? Yes. Now, what are you going to do? Looking at the picture, you are going to tell me whether this picture is a character or not. Okay. But for that, Didi will tag you and others will type on the chat box. So I tag Daksh. Daksh, Daksh, are you there?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, Daksh. Daksh, tell us that is this picture a character?
Girl.
A girl, yes, it's a picture of a girl. Is it a character in the story? Can it be a character in the story? बताइए. Yes,
Girl is
Daksh.
going to.
Daksh,
Yes, Didi.
Daksh, please tell me that is this girl a character? Can it be ये character हो सकती है
She
story में?
बोल तोपर्यंत
Yes, Daksh. Are you able to say or can I pass on this question to next? Okay, no
she
problem.
girl
Huh?
going to picnic.
Yes, Daksh.
Character.
Yes, it's a character. Very good. Daksh, now you can be on mute mode. Okay. Now next picture, please. Yes. Now I tag Tanishka. Others, very good. I can see that you are using chat box. Very good. Very nice. Now Tanishka, unmute yourself beta and tell me, can animal, horse, can it be a character in the story? हो सकता है character. Tanishka,
Yes, Didi.
great. Very good. Thank you, Tanishka. Okay. Yes. A horse. Horse is an animal, right? So it can be a character in the story. Because horse, we can show horse talking. Okay. We can show horse feeling something. है ना? Animals भी होते हैं characters. Like we can see in Jungle Book. Yes, we can
और
see.
दादा करके दौड़ता है.
Yes, it can run also. Right. So we can see in Jungle Book also there are many animals और वो सारे characters है story में है ना? So moving on to the next picture. Yes. Now everybody on
काय
mute mode.
केलं कशाला काय करतेस तू मीटिंग
Everybody
चालू आहे
on
तुझी
mute mode.
जा
Mute mode. Yes, thank you. Now I tag. Yes, very good. Wait, let me tag. I tag Deep. Deep.
नहीं बोला.
Only Deep will answer. Rest all use chat box. And those who are using chat box will give you star at the end.
होना
So,
है
yes. Deep, are you there, beta?
दीदी कार.
Yes, car. Very good. But is it a character? ये character हो सकता है story में.
दीदी.
हाँ.
नहीं.
No, na? Yes, very good. So thank you, Deep. Very good. Okay, thank you, Tanishka. And all other students, those who are using chat box. So now we will go on mute mode. So this was regarding character. ठीक है? ये character था. Now, when you are seeing in a story, ठीक है? आपको पहले क्या दिखता है? What you see in the story first? पहले आपको डायरेक्ट कैरेक्टर दिखते हैं. Yes.
मम्मा.
Okay, now Didi will be sitting like this if you are not keeping yourself on mute mode. Can Didi sit like this? Be on mute mode. Yes. Now, yes. Very good. Rakshit is saying background. Now, tell me, like when you are seeing a story, कोई story दिखते हैं या फिर when you see a movie, कोई picture start होता है, तो what you see first? आपको पहले क्या दिखता है? Directly you see actor and actress? No, ना?
टाइटल.
Yes. Tell your name and then speak.
और खाने का थोड़ा सैदनार पर आ जा गई अरे मां वेरा
Others be on mute mode. Yes.
अरे अभी बोलो.
Okay, let me tag
Wow.
Rakshit. Rakshit,
तुझे ना आवाज
others be on mute mode.
दीदी.
सीधी बैठी या
Rakshit, tell me that do you see, what do you see? Title, after title. Story start होने के बाद, when you see the story is
बगल में
like started, what you see first?
Once upon a time.
Once upon a time, and then after that, और क्या दिखता है? What else?
Background.
Background, very good. And what is this background? Okay, Chetna, Rajendra Salvi, mute yourself. Chetna, Rajendra Salvi, mute yourself.
Tease.
बोल रहा हूँ उधर
Tease.
Huh?
What is it?
Chetna, Rajendra Salvi, mute yourself.
चेतना नहीं है दीदी आर्या है
Okay, sorry, Arya, हाँ. Mute
हाँ.
yourself, बेटा, please.
ठीक
दीदी
है
mute कीजिए.
वो
हाँ.
बोल रही है दीदी मेरे से बात ही नहीं कर रही है
दीदी पहले कैरेक्टर का घर दिखता है. दीदी पहले
Yes.
कैरेक्टर का घर दिखता है.
Right. So हमें पहले घर, only घर. Every time we see house only.
बस छोड़ दे दीदी बस
Do we see house only? हाँ.
बरोबर है
ये स्कूल भी.
Yes, sometimes we see school. Then what else we see? वो और क्या क्या दिखता है हमें? लाइक इफ इट इज अ स्टोरी, इफ इट इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट एनिमल्स, कैरेक्टर एनिमल्स है, तो हमें क्या दिखेगा बैकग्राउंड में? व्हाट कैन वी सी इन द बैकग्राउंड? वेरी गुड, जंगल. यस, रक्षित, बी ऑन म्यूट मोड नाउ. नाउ आर्या, आर्या, आर यू देयर? आर्या, आर्या, आर यू देयर? हाँ आर्या, टेल मी कि इफ इट इज अ स्टोरी अबाउट एनिमल्स, हम एनिमल्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, कैरेक्टर्स, द कैरेक्टर्स आर एनिमल, तो व्हाट बैकग्राउंड यू कैन सी?
खवाती तो कीड़ो खाए सारे बॉल में।
Mute yourself, children, please. Who is Dalaram Chaudhary and Rajendra Salvi? Please mute yourself. So, yes, tell me. Okay, Gianna, Gianna, unmute yourself and say कि if it is a story about animal, what background you see? Yes, Gianna. Gianna, if it is a story about animals, हम animals के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, so what you can see in the background? Background में क्या दिखेगा?
जंगल.
Very good, jungle. So we can say that characters जैसे होंगे वैसे वो background होगा, right? Now tell me, if it is the story about students, then what will be the background? Yes, Gianna.
मैम समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, अगर हम students की बात करें, एक story है जिसमें there are many students, हाँ, तो हम background में क्या दिखाएंगे? What can we show in the background? Story कहाँ पर
दीदी
होगी?
क्लासरूम.
Very nice, very good, very good. Now be on mute mode. Now when we are talking about background, when we are talking about background, so that background is what? It's a place, ना? वो एक जगह होती है, right? Where the character live, where the character is there, है ना? Background means what? Background is what? A place, है ना? Yes or no? Now you tell me, if it is story about, yes, if it is a story about online classes where Kajal Didi and grade 2 children are the character, तो place क्या होगी? What will be the place? Okay, room. What else? What else? कि online classes है, online classes है. What will be the place there? Let me know. Okay, home, very good. It will be a home. It will be a house. तो वो क्या हुआ? It is a place. So when we are talking about place, then it is called setting. What it is called? Everybody repeat the word setting. Say setting. Yes. So Didi, on the next slide, please. Yes. So what are we going to do in this class today? Students will be able to identify setting in the story. Setting means what? It's a place. Next slide, Didi. Yes. So what is a setting? It's the time and a place where the story happens. Story कहाँ होती है? That place is called setting. Understood? We learnt about character. हमने characters पढ़े थे. Where it is hero, heroine, actor, actress, animal, people, dragon, monster है. ये सारे हमारे characters हैं. But ये characters कहाँ होते हैं? So that place where the character is there. ये कैरेक्टर जहाँ रहता है, ये कैरेक्टर जहाँ सोता है, खाता है, देन कुछ भी या मस्ती करता है, तो द प्लेस wherever the character go, that is called setting. Understood? If you understood, just type
Yes, Didi.
yes in the chat box. अगर आपको समझ में आया तो just type yes or you can put thumbs up in the setting. What is the setting in the chat box? Sorry. If you understood what is the setting, just type yes in the chat box. And others, be on mute mode. Very good. I can see still some students are on unmute mode. And उनके background में, उनके setting में, there are many disturbing sound. Yes. So now, so in this class, we will be learning about that only. कि what is a setting? एक setting क्या होती है? Clear? Now I will give you situation. Let me know that it is setting or not. हाँ, हम पहचाने. Yes. So next slide tag. So next slide.
अरे सूर्यकांत
Meera,
सर
Meera, please be on mute.
ये तो पापा का मोबाइल में
Meera and Rajendra Salvi. हाँ. Now Didi on next slide please. Okay. Now these are few pictures. Okay. Now I will tag. Rest all will be on chat box. Okay, will be typing on the chat box. So I will tag Anus. Anus.
Yes, Didi.
Wait,
Yes,
okay.
Didi.
Anus, tell me this first picture. Can you see the first picture where there are trees and grasses? Can you see beta?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, very good.
Yes, Didi.
Yes.
Three.
Right. So let me know that what is this? What is this? Yes, others can use chat box. Very
पापा
good.
कैसे लगा
Didi jungle.
Jungle. Very good. Right. So it is what? It is a setting, na place है ना jungle क्या होती है? Place होती है, right? So this is first. See, it can be a forest,
Animals.
it can be a jungle, right? Very good. So jungle, forest. I can see many students are typing on the chat box. Very nice. Very good. So yes, jungle. It's the first setting.
Didi man.
Yes, can we move on to the next picture, please? I tag Palak. Palak.
Didi garden.
नहीं, only Palak will answer. Rest all mute पर. Palak. Okay, very good. Pia, very nice. Others are using chat box. Very good. तो ये हमारी एक background है. Okay, let me know that Palak, are you there, beta?
Yes.
Palak, tell me which setting is this? कौन सी place है बेटा?
Park.
Yes, very good. It can be a park, it can be playground, it can be garden. Yes, very good. So I can see many of the students are using chat box. Thank you for that. Thank you for sharing on the chat box. Good one. Yes, it can be a garden. And ये garden है, suppose ये playground है. So tell me what will be the characters here. अगर मुझे यहाँ पे ये setting में, so this setting is playground ना, और मुझे यहाँ पे characters डालने. So I will tag. Wait, हाँ, let me tag. Tejal. Tejal, are you there, beta? Tejal. Tejal.
Yes, Didi.
Hi, हाँ, Tejal, tell me that if this is a setting, हाँ, अगर ये setting है, तो what characters I will put?
Children.
Tell me. Yes.
Garden.
हाँ, garden is the setting. Place है. Characters कौन से होंगे बेटा?
Children.
Children. Very good. Yes. Thank you. Now next, I will
Didi.
tag Shreya. Shreya, wake up.
Yes, Didi.
Good morning. Now let's move on to the next picture. Yes. Shreya, tell me which setting is this?
Didi school. School.
Yes, school. Thank you. Now, next I tag. Wait, I will tag who's next. Pranav. Pranav Pawar, are you there, beta? Yes, very good. I can see many students typing. Palak Payal, Harsh, then Shreya, Pia. Very nice. Rakshit. Thank you for sharing on the chat box. Yes. Mute mode. Okay. Now tell me which setting is this? Yes.
Children and
Tell me about
Didi
the.
and
Yes, very good. This is the setting is school. And characters कौन होंगे? Neha, can you tell me that what all characters can I fix in this? कौन से characters होंगे? Yes, Rajendra. हाँ. Yes, Neha. Can you tell me that what characters I can put in this? Students, very good. Then only students. और कौन है होगा?
दीदी मैं बताऊं?
Yes, Sunakshi. Next time I will give you turn. Okay? Wait, Sunakshi. Yes, Neha. Continue. कौन होगा? Yes, Riya. Very good. Rakshit, Riya. Very nice.
दीदी टीचर.
हाँ, teacher. What else? Now Neha's turn is there, na? Neha will answer. Teacher. Then
टीचर.
yes, students. Very good. Then principal, दीदी, भैया, है ना? ये सारे रहेंगे ना? Helper दीदी. Yes. So these will be the characters in this setting. Okay. Next I tag Sunakshi. Can we move on to the next picture? Yes. Sunakshi, are you there?
दीदी house.
Very good. So house is what? It is a setting, na? तो हमारे characters कौन से होंगे बेटा? What will be our characters in this story, in this setting? Yes. House में कौन characters होंगे?
Family.
Family. Family means what? Who all will be the characters? The family में. हाँ, Sunakshi, tell me.
मम्मी पापा.
हाँ.
ब्रदर सिस्टर.
हाँ.
me.
Very good. Mummy, Papa, your mother, your father, brother, sister, and Sunakshi.
दो तो क्लास करना है.
Right?
हाँ.
So these are the settings, right? So you can see different settings. You on mute mode, children.
আমার ঘর
Can you see like this? If you are not on mute mode, Sunakshi, Poonam, be on mute mode, beta. Yes. Can we go to the next picture? Okay. So these are what the different settings you can see. So जैसे characters वैसी setting. If you see characters like animals, so you can see jungle or forest as the setting, like as the place. If you see children, if you see little babies as the character. Then the setting will be playground, garden. If you see school as the setting, आपको अगर school एक place या setting दिखती है, then the characters will be दीदी भैया, a little kids, है ना? And if the character, if the setting is house, setting अगर house है, then you can see like family.
दीदी our family.
Yes, mummy, papa in the story, right? In the setting. Very good. Now,
मम्मी पापा
yes, yes.
दीदी
Be on mute.
दीदी
Yes.
दीदी स्टोरी बनाना है.
नहीं, wait. I'll tell you, Meera. Others be on mute mode. Okay, I will tag you, Rakshit. Wait.
The dog.
हाँ,
Dog.
yes, Rakshit, I will tag you. Rakshit, be on mute mode. Yes, good. So these are what different settings. So what we have learned today, we have learned about setting. Yes, pet. Very good. हमने different places देखे, इन्हें हम settings भी कहते हैं. Okay. So can we move on to the next slide? Yes. Now what you have to do, you have to identify settings from the following sentence. Okay. Now I will tag up. You will not say. Rest all can think and answer the chat box. So I tag. Poonam, be on mute mode, beta. Shruti, good morning. Are you there, Shruti? Yes. Shruti, hi. Be on unmute mode, only Shruti. Huh? I will help you, beta. Don't worry, I will help you. आपको first sentence पढ़ना है and tell me that which is the setting. Okay, read the first sentence first. हाँ,
My favorite hobby
हाँ, is
to read books in the library.
very good, Shruti. Very nice. So, Shruti, tell me what will be the setting in this sentence, beta? सेटिंग क्या होगी यहाँ पे? आपको कौन सी प्लेस दिख रही है यहाँ पे?
The library.
Yes, library. Very good. What will be the setting, beta?
Library.
Meera, I know you are saying, don't do like this in library. Okay. Shruti, can you say?
दीदी मैं बोलूं?
Who is this?
पिया.
Pia. Tell me what will be the setting, beta?
It is read book in the library.
हाँ, but what is the setting, Pia? इसमें place कौन सी है?
Library.
Very good.
आपका आवाज नहीं आ.
Shruti and Pia, very good. Now be on mute mode. Now second I tag Ria.
दीदी आपका आवाज. My mom is making tasty dish for me.
Ria,
Tasty
second
dish for
sentence.
me.
Ria, beta, second sentence. Read the second sentence.
The children
हाँ,
wished for good morning to the teacher.
yes, very good. Ria, thank you. Now I tag. Beta, let me tag now.
दीदी मैं बोलूं?
Wait. I tag Chaitra. Chaitra, unmute. No, Chaitra, यहाँ पे ना, in this sentence, I have not used any setting. So you tell me, if the children wish good morning to the teacher, what setting it will be? कौन सी setting होगी ये फिर? Where there is children, where there is teacher.
School.
Yes, Chaitra.
Classroom.
Very nice.
Classroom.
Very good. Yes. Why classroom? Because यहाँ के characters है children and teacher. Yes. Very good. Thank you. Now next type tag.
Sentence.
Afzal. Afzal. Wait. Don't reveal the third answer. Afzal, are you there?
My mom is making
Hmm?
that is
Taste. Huh?
tasty dish for me.
Very good. Thank
Yeah.
you. Yes. So my mom is making tasty dish for me. Okay, this is our sentence. Now Harsh, are you there, Harsh beta? Harsh?
दीदी मैं बोलूं?
Akila, 2 minutes. I will also give you chance to speak. 2 minutes. Let us wait for Harsh. Harsh?
पनीर जो जो मम्मी क्या बनाती है?
मम्मी
हाँ
मम्मी
फिर से
हाँ
बोलो।
बेटा.
पनीर
मम्मी
Oh wow, paneer. Very nice. Yes. So mummy, okay, Harsh, mummy is making paneer. Very nice. But Harsh, tell me, mummy, paneer कहाँ बनाते हैं? Tell me.
किचन में बोलो। किचन में Yes.
दीदी किचन
Others, please wait. Yes, Harsh. बोलिए.
योगी
हाँ. हाँ, घर में बनाते. वेरी गुड. घर में बनाते. तो घर क्या हुआ? घर प्लेस हुआ ना, हर्ष? है ना?
50-44 yes दीदी
वेरी गुड. थैंक यू हर्ष. तो घर में या किचन में, तो ये क्या हुआ? ये सेटिंग हुआ,
Yes.
प्लेस हुआ. यस हर्ष. थैंक यू. वेरी गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट आई टैग.
yes
run
पायल. यस हर्ष.
go
Want to say something बेटा?
goes to the teacher
पायल.
me didi can I moon
Wait. पायल.
yes
Payal,
Yes.
tell me what will be the setting in the third sentence? Harsh has already said, but you will also repeat. What will be the setting in the third case, third sentence?
my is happy
Yes, Harsh.
red
Yes, Harsh. Oh, sorry, yes, Payal.
mom and me
Setting क्या होगी बेटा? Place क्या होगी?
library the children that go down and me
Okay, Akila, can you answer?
the
Akila,
teacher
Akila.
good
Others mute mode.
yes didi
Akila, tell me what will be the setting in the third sentence?
didi is kitchen
Kitchen. Thank you. Yes. So the third setting will be kitchen. Right. Thank you so much. So yes. So we have seen different sentence and we have identify the setting.
or
हमने क्या किया? You have read the sentence and you have identified the setting. तो यही होता है. So whenever you get the story to see, अगर हम story देखते, so there are different settings, right? we see park, we see playground, हमें city, village. Okay, now let me ask you. Okay, now my next question will be to Anus. Anus, tell me, if the story is about farmer, then which setting will it be? If the story is about farmer, yes.
दीदी कौन सा लेसन पढ़ो?
If the story is about farmer, then which setting will it be? अगर स्टोरी फार्मर की है तो कौन सी सेटिंग होगी?
दीदी फार्म.
Yes. Very good, Akila and Anus. Yes. So here we end our class and you are going to log in again. I'm going to share homework with you. Okay. So let's have, you will practice it on your own. Clear? So Didi, you can stop.